Chances are, you've come across YouTube channels that never show a face, have amassed millions of subscribers, and rack up views by the tens of millions. What you're witnessing is a business model known as YouTube automation. These creators are operating faceless channels, and yes, they're generating significant revenue doing it. In this full tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can launch your own faceless automation channel using completely free AI tools. You'll be able to take action immediately after this video. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Behind nearly every successful faceless channel is the exact same 4-step system. While creators might have their unique spin on it, the core framework and the AI tools involved don't change. Stick with me to the end, and you'll walk away with a complete formula that people are leveraging to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars. And you'll be able to apply this to as many channels and niches as you want. YouTube automation. Before we dive into the strategy, let's get clear on what YouTube automation really means. Traditionally, it's described as creating YouTube videos without ever showing your face and outsourcing all the video production work to freelancers. That way, you can focus more on strategy and turn your channel into a semi-passive income machine. But here's the truth. That model is getting outdated. Hiring freelancers to make videos can be extremely costly, sometimes hundreds of dollars per video. But now, thanks to AI, you can produce the same type of content yourself, often for free or at a fraction of the cost. I'll walk you through how to build your entire YouTube automation process with AI, saving thousands in production costs while maintaining high quality. I've spent a ton of time testing dozens of tools and narrowed it down to a select few that are incredibly user-friendly, whether you've done this before or are starting from zero. To demonstrate the process clearly, I'll pick a trending niche and show you how to create a video using this exact AI workflow. But keep in mind, this system works in virtually every niche, be it sports, history, personal development, or any other topic. For this example, I picked the niche of Stoicism, which has been trending recently. People are loving motivational content that teaches Stoic principles and how they can improve their lives. Just look at some of the top channels in this space. They're pulling in millions of views with this kind of content. One of their most viral videos was about 7 habits to practice every morning. So, like any smart creator would do, I modeled that exact concept for my own video. Before we get into the step-by-step video creation process, I want to share a powerful insight that most people won't tell you. A big chunk of income for faceless YouTube creators comes from ad revenue. That's the money YouTube pays you when viewers see or interact with ads on your videos. For example, someone like Mr. Beast earns over $13 million a month from ad revenue alone. But here's the catch. YouTube doesn't start paying you right away. You need to meet the platform's monetization threshold, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. This can be a tough barrier, especially when you're starting out. Personally, it took me 6 months before I made a single dollar on my first channel. That was a while back, and today there's a workaround to this obstacle. Recently, I discovered a website offering YouTube channels that have already reached monetization eligibility. These are organically grown, ready-to-go channels. Once you start uploading content to one of these accounts, you're eligible to earn revenue from day one. I was skeptical at first, but after testing it myself, it worked perfectly. Now, this isn't a requirement to succeed, but it's a great head start if you're struggling early on. The site is called Tick Accounts. Just look it up online. They often run out of stock, but if you're lucky, you might catch it while they have available channel. Script writing with AI. This is arguably the most important part of the entire video making system. And yes, writing a good script can be very difficult, especially when you're new. But the good news is, thanks to AI, you don't need to be a professional writer to create quality scripts. Tools like ChatGPT allow you to generate powerful, engaging scripts if you know how to structure a strong prompt. I've personally spent countless hours testing prompt variations to get better and better results. Once you've filled out your prompt and click generate, ChatGPT will process the information and create your script. It usually starts with a curiosity-driven hook to grab the viewer's attention, then transitions into the core message, like delivering Stoic advice or practices, and ends with a strong conclusion that summarizes everything. Always give it a quick review. AI does an incredible job, but it's still smart to double-check everything for accuracy and tone. Step 2. You'll need a voice to read your script aloud. A few years ago, this meant hiring a voiceover artist, waiting days for delivery, and spending quite a bit of money. Now, AI voices have become almost indistinguishable from real humans, and you can use them for free or very cheap. The best platform for this is ElevenLabs. They offer incredibly realistic AI voices, including professional-grade voices created by actual voice actors. Here's how it works. Go to the ElevenLabs website. You can browse their voice library to pick from thousands of voices categorized by language, accent, gender, age, and tone. I personally prefer deep, calming male voices for Stoicism content, so I'd filter for English, American accent, category professional, gender male, and then audition different voices. Once you find one you like, click Add to VoiceLab. Then head over to the Speech Synthesis tab, paste your script, and set the stability to around 80% and clarity to 60%. These settings tend to produce the best results. Then hit Generate. Your voiceover will be ready in seconds. Adding visuals and editing. Now it's time to bring your video to life with visuals and editing. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional editor. There are 2 ways to go about this. Manually, we're using AI tools. If you're comfortable doing it yourself, create a new project. Import your voiceover, and then add visuals that align with the spoken content. For example, if your voiceover says something like, "Here are 7 powerful practices inspired by Stoic wisdom," you could visit Pexels or Pixabay, search for ancient man thinking, and download relevant footage or images. You can also add simple zoom effects, transitions, royalty-free background music, sound effects, and even subtitles to make your video more engaging. You'll get better at this over time. If you prefer automation, use Pictory. This tool takes your script or voiceover and generates a complete video, automatically syncing visuals, transitions, subtitles, and music. Just upload your audio or text and it handles the rest in minutes. Upload it to your channel and then repeat the process. Keep testing different video styles and topics. Once you find a format that performs well, double down and make more of those videos. Here's the beauty of YouTube automation. Every video you upload can continue generating views, subscribers, and income indefinitely. If one video goes viral, it often triggers a spike in views across all your content. But remember, the only way this doesn't work is if you quit. Most people post a few videos, don't get immediate results, and give up. But the ones who succeed keep going, tweaking, learning, and improving until they break through. And it always happens. If you want more in-depth tutorials on using AI to grow your faceless YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.